So it is a cold, balmy morning here in Michigan. Depending on what you read, it's somewhere between -5 and 0 out right now. Gonna do a cold start in the Cummins and see how this thing does. So this is my first Cummins, and I'm used to Duramaxes and Power Strokes that have glow plugs. This truck has a grid heater. So we're gonna see how long this thing takes, and hopefully it starts up nice and okay. So let's see how it starts up. It is freezing out. Can hear the heater going. Not bad. That's impressive. Some weird noises going on in here. Huh, not sure what that is. Wonder if that's power steering. No, it just went off. Let's see what this says. Well, that's interesting. Never seen that before on the dash. Almost looks like maybe coolant. Huh. So now my gauge is saying -2 out. So, huh. That looks like a coolant thing. Yep. Interesting. Well, I'm gonna let it warm up. Intake air temps are already 35. What's interesting is look at the engine coolant temperature level. It's way off. Clearly it's not 946 degrees in the coolant. So, this says coolant 31. Okay, now this just reset 34. Cold. Well, truck started. I'm happy about that. Since this is my first Cummins, big thing I'm thinking is snowmobile season's, right around the corner. And I just want to ensure this thing's good to go, because I've had issues with Duramaxes not plugged in. Now, granted, it's a 2002 Duramax, not a 2022 or 2024, but man, it was like -20 up in the UP, brutal cold. We couldn't even get this thing started, not plugged in. It was tough. I've never had an issue with the new Power Stroke. Everything sounds good now in the powertrain. That noise initially almost sounded like a whine in a pump. So something I'll definitely keep an eye on. Question is, but this is new for me with the grid heater. Why does Cummins use the grid intake heater versus a glow plug? I've actually been looking into this, and it sounds like it's supposed to be a more reliable system. It sounds like these things can last the lifetime of a vehicle, whereas a glow plug, it sounds like a glow plug are typically only good for 100,000 miles. Plus it sounds like it's a more simple design for when you design the head of the engine, because you don't have to machine the head and put in the infrastructure for doing the glow plugs. So, question for you Cummins experts. What does that sound when the engine first started up? Anything to be concerned about? Have you seen the coolant low level before? Think there's anything to worry about that? Anyhow, I hope this video you find helpful. Thanks for watching.